In this video, I'm going to explain the definition of a z-score. I mentioned earlier that we would be covering two measures of position, the percentile rank and the z-score. And since we've already covered percentile rank, we're going to move into z-score. So the z-score is the number of standard deviations that a data value falls below or above the mean. And I've made a visual here to help get the idea across. So here we have the mean of a data set, and the mean always has a z-score of 0, and if you go up one standard deviation, you get to a z-score of +1. If you go down one standard deviation, you get to a z-score of -1. If you go up two standard deviations, 1 and 2, you get to a z-score of +2. If you start at the mean and go down two standard deviations, 1, 2, you get to a z-score of -2. So it starts at the mean with a z-score of 0, and it goes up in steps of the standard deviation. And I think that this will make more sense to you once I show you the next visual, which is a little bit more concrete, and once we get into the actual calculations of calculating z-scores. But this is just a starting point for us. And the z-score is a bit more difficult of a concept than the percentile rank, but you should have the idea of a z-score down after just a few examples. If you don't, just let me know if you have any questions.